I don't have a quarter.
Can I have a quarter? Wait.
I'll get it.
You're lucky I got quarters, man.
So you gonna miss us?
Y'all.
How come you're not crying yet?
Me. I don't know. I want to.
Thank you.
Check it out. She ain't even crying yet.
Either are you.
I'm getting there. See it?
Hey, no, that's for Ashley.
No.
She wants to. Oh, that's your quarter? Oh. Yeah. I thought she gave it to her. She's yelling at me for my money in the machine.
Say, bitch, please.
I got a new mother.
Yeah, her name is Jessie. She lives in California.
No. Yeah. No. Yeah. Mommy, you want to take a picture with me?
What, on here? Sure.
On there.
Are you crazy?
Yeah.
I don't care.
Okay.